Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be guiding you through another episode of How To Thursdays, teaching you how to do a lying side hip abduction. If you're ready to learn something new, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's get into our starting position, which is lying on our side. In this case, I'm lying on my left side. My left arm is on the bottom, and it's either extended in front of me or it's underneath my head in order to help me keep a neutral neck and spine. My right arm stays on top. This is our starting position. Our toes are pointing away from us, our legs are extended, and we are ready to begin. We're going to exhale and raise our right leg up 45 degrees. Then hold and bring back to our starting position as we inhale. That is one repetition of a lying side hip abduction. Let's go ahead and switch to the other side, and let's go ahead and do a couple of those back to back to see how they flow together. Let's go ahead and get into our starting position. We're going to move onto our right side this time. Right arm is on the bottom, helping us keep our neck and spine neutral. Left arm is on the top. Our legs are extended. Toes are pointing away from us. We're ready to begin. We're going to exhale and raise our left leg up, creating a 45-degree angle at the hips before we bring it back down to our starting position with an inhale and gently return. Exhale, raising that leg up. Inhale, return to your starting position and repeat. Out and in. Focus on keeping your neck and your spine neutral. Focus on breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. And make sure that you don't take it beyond 45 degrees with your leg, as you will begin to engage other muscles and not get really the most out of that lying side hip abduction, which is going to be that inner part of your thigh getting all the way up to what is to really where the legs join the hip, on the inside of your legs. Focus on your form, and don't forget to breathe. And that is how you perform a side lying hip abduction. If you learned something new, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you so much for watching.